Welcome back to the last trade here on Kalkine TV. Let's wrap up the day's session. Now, the S&P ASX 200 closed sharply lower today, which is Friday, dropping 159.10 points or 2.16% and setting a new 20-day low. The bottom-performing stocks in this index include uranium production company Paladin Energy, which is down 10.3%, and then software development company Life360 down as well at 9.02%. Over the past week, the index has lost 3.09% and 2.04% over the past year. And looking at some news, medical device company Polynovo and the manufacturer, designer and marketer of healthcare products Fisher & Paykel were the top gainers. Meanwhile, operating in the retail sector, Wesfarmers sells fertilizer alongside industrial safety products, and recently at the Macquarie Australia Conference in 2022, Wesfarmers revealed that its retail divisions were well placed to manage inflationary pressures, and the current market scenario was posing an opportunity to profitably grow. The company even claimed to have strengthened capabilities of existing divisions and new platforms for future growth. And looking at the index, by noon today, Wesfarmers shares were trading 0.34% higher. The price has been appreciating over the past 5 days, and on the index as well, though the share price was up by noon today, it has lost some shine in the last 3 months. Wesfarmers has closed down at $49.41 lower by 0.10% today. Next up, belonging to the real estate sector, Goodman Group is a property group that owns, develops and manages real estate. On the 2nd of May, the company recently priced an issue of $500 million worth of sustainably inked bonds with a scheduled maturity of 2032. The bonds are the group's first sustainability-linked bonds that are a part of the group's debt diversification and tenor management strategy. And while Goodman Group has not released any price-sensitive announcements in the afternoon, the share price was over 3.98% lower than the previous close. It seems to have tracked the sectoral and broader market losses. The shares closed at 20.65 today, down 4.39%. And then looking at the Australian famous Woolies chain, the retail chain operator had recently released its third quarter sales results. While Woolworths reported an e-commerce sales expansion compared to the same quarter last year, total group sales were in fact down by 8.8%. The business is focused on operating scalability, lower costs and consumer satisfaction. Looking at the index, the company shares were trading at about 0.68% lower than their previous closing price in the afternoon. This adds on to the lows and the highs as well of the last 5 days of trade. Woolies shares have lost about 4.10% of their share price over the last 6 months. And during the midday, shares traded at 37.88 apiece. And finally, looking at the tech company Block, whose shares of financial results for the first quarter have been opened, ending March 31. Block shares were trading at $141.72 each, down 2.62% during the lunch hours. And when comparing the 3 months ending March 31 to the 3 months ending March 31, 2022, total revenue declined 22%. And that is a wrap for now on the last trade, but tune in next time only on Kalkine TV. I'm Holly Shields signing off.